let's not talk about what happens after a stroke or head injury. So first off, your oxygen is cut off. Your brain cells are damaged. Then inflammation surges and damages the surrounding brain tissue. Third, the oxidative stress kicks in. Free radicals cause more damage to cells. 4, the blood-brain barrier is compromised. 5, neurotransmitter imbalances, mood, memory, function decline. Then mitochondrial dysfunction, low energy, fatigue, slower recovery. How do these two products help these processes to repair? Number 1, reduces inflammation and oxidative stress. Stroke aftermath equals high inflammation and oxidative stress. It causes more brain damage. These two products help provide anti-inflammatory botanical assistance. Why? Antioxidant support quenches the free radicals. Then there's NRF2 activation, turns on your body's own antioxidant production, like glutathione. Then we have the mitochondrial repair and energy. The support here is after a stroke, the mitochondria are damaged. Your energy is low, healing is slow. These help to enhance your mitochondrial function. It helps the cells to regenerate faster. It increases cellular ATP energy that's needed for repair of the brain cells. Then we have brain neurotransmitter support. You see, stroke impacts neurotransmitters, your mood, your cognition, your memory. The frequencies in this little bottle can help support brain harmonization. And then this one helps contains the nutrients that feed the neurotransmitter pathways, your serotonin, your dopamine, your GABA, calm and repair. It also supports brain barrier repair because stroke often damages the blood-brain barrier. Then the fulvic minerals plus the antioxidants in this little bottle, they help to strengthen and heal this barrier to protect the brain from further damage, and it gently detoxes after the stroke because there is cellular debris. So Source and Rise help to detox this safely, preventing secondary inflammation. Okay, so the last thing that I'm coming up on is frequency-driven cellular rebalancing. You see, this one is frequency-coded. They're both frequency-coded. Supports brain coherence, calming the stress response, and helping neurons reconnect. The pathways of neuroplasticity over time. Let's have a summary. How it helps stroke and recovery. Lowers inflammation and oxidative stress. Repairs the mitochondrial energy production. Oh, I'm taking a breath. Then we have supports brain neurotransmitters, cognition and mood, and then helps detox debris after the injury, strengthening blood barrier, encouraging neuroplasticity. That brain relearning has to come in somewhere. But I do make a caution and a safety note. As always, check with your doctor first in case of blood thinners or if there's any other interactions of critical stage healing. Typically, These are safe to introduce around the 2nd to 4th weeks post-stroke, once you are stable. But personalized timing matters.